Hello, you're watching the economic news on InstaForex TV News channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. The U.S. Department of Commerce revised the GDP downwards. The experts corrected the main economic indicator reading from 2.5% to 2.4%. However, the annual GDP reading remained unchanged at 1.8%. Analysts had not expected any changes in the indicator at all. Shattered investor hopes waited on the greenback. The single currency crossed the psychological benchmark of 1.3 points. The euro-US dollar rate surged to 1.3060. There was also another portion of negative statistics on the U.S. economy. The Department of Labor reported growth in the number of initial jobless claims by 10,000. And again, experts, relaxed by positive U.S. signals, had not foreseen any changes in the indicator. This was the most important Forex news presented to you by InstaForex TV channel. Stay tuned. Goodbye.